Magazine, do solemnly swear
affirm
that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that I will serve, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So help me God. And bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that has specialized in the interest of the sovereignty, integrity, solidarity, well-being, and prosperity of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will strive to do with honor all my official decisions, that I will, to the best of my ability, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will abide by the code in all circumstances. I will do right to all manner of people, according to law, without fear or favor, and consideration. All shall become known to me as special advisor, River State, except as may be required for the due discharge.
Let me, on behalf of the government, that by the special grace of God today we represent, and I'm the one sitting here to oversee and preside over the affair of government. Let me congratulate you. I'm doing this because about the 7 million Rivers, both indigenous and non-indigenous, that reside here, going by the data that we have as of today, and going by the number of the understanding and peace-loving Rivers people who also decided to throw their weight behind us. In these numbers, today, by the special grace of God, a few of you have also joined the management team of the state government. So it is a rare opportunity. So I want to say that finding yourself here is an opportunity for you to defend the government and also ensure that what these millions of people fought for about 11 and a half months ago is not in vain. They stood for something. And today, because of that standing, we're still standing and conducting governance, even in the face of little distraction here and there. Joining our team today is an opportunity for you to add value. We're not bringing you on board to criticize or to abuse, because the only reason why the distractors are intensifying their shot is so that we will miss our target. At the end of the day, the Rivers people will not ask us, what are the court judgments that we have? What are the protests that they want to see results? Joining us today is to help us to have enough A's in our report card. A few of you I know personally, but the others were recommended by your leaders. Do not disappoint them. I'm very sure that those ones that I recommended will not disappoint me. It is a call for duty, so that everybody will be happy. Governance is about making the people happy, and that is our aim. We are into governance now, so not politics. When we get to politics, we'll talk about politics. But today, and what we're doing here is welcoming you on board, charging you to be good ambassadors, not just to this administration, but to your people. Dr. Sam, you are not an indigene. You're non-indigene. And you're representing the non-indigene. That is your platform. Ensure that the West, the East, the North, the minorities that are also non-indigens are represented evenly. Don't say because you're from the East, it is all about the East. Please, be a better representative so that your people will be happy. And this support that we're getting from this non-indigen will increase. We need their support. Let me, on this note, thank our team for your continuous support. We will continue to make the good people of Rivers State proud that standing by us wasn't a mistake.
Barrister Forgiven Amakri, and by the special grace of God, I am one of the newly sworn-in special advisors that we are just sworn in some minutes ago. I have a passion for the good of River State. That has been my calling. That has been my vision. How River State will become a better place for every indigene and resident. And this is an opportunity, I believe, that I will be able to showcase that passion that I have. A state that will thrive in every sphere, a state that will be robust economically, a state that will be peaceful, a state that everyone will desire to reside in. I believe that this office, subject to how the Governor, His Excellency, intend that I should function. But whatever portfolio I am subsequently given, I will ensure that I discharge my duties to the best of my abilities and ensure that River State is better than where we met it. I will join the team that the Governor has assembled to support him and put in my best. The best of my best will be what I will give to River State, because since I said earlier, that has been my vision, that has been my passion to work for River State.
You know, before now, I've been the coordinator of non-indigene in River State Simplify movement, and His Excellency has charged me to unify the non-indigenes in River State without no discrimination or where you are from or where you are not from. But we has charged us also to go into proper work to see how we can make our people live in River State peacefully, the non-indigenes, the Hausa, the Yoruba, the Akwa Ibom, the Edo, the Hausa, Bayelsa, and other minority tribes. He has told us that we need to bring everybody, which we already be doing before now. You can see since I became the coordinator, the non-indigene in River State have one voice and move one direction. So by this great honor that the governor has bestowed on me, is going to make us to do more than what we have done before now, to make sure that there's peace in Rivers State and to support the good work of His Excellency, the Governor of Rivers State.
Politics and administration is it's about teamwork. It's not about you. It's about everybody in the ministry. I want to believe that with perfect coordination, we can achieve any task given to us. Not just me, my entire clan, because I'm the first commissioner from my ward. Yes, and I'm about the third commissioner from my clan, from the creation of my local government. So we are extremely grateful to His Excellency for considering us and finding us worthy of serving in the state government.
That is the glamorous and alarming thing about being a medical doctor. A medical doctor is a scientist, and being a scientist, he can cover very many areas. No matter the area given to a medical doctor, he will perform creditably well. And prior to this time, I was a permanent secretary. I've been in Ministry of Youth, I've been in Ministry of Special Projects, and His Excellency probably has found me worthy to elevate my status to the position of being a commissioner and a member of the Rivers State Executive Council. And so any position assigned to me, I am very sure that I will satisfy not only His Excellency but Rivers people. Thank you.